Discover the magic of hummingbird migration. These tiny adventurers journey over 2,000 miles each year. Their wings beat 80 times per second. In spring, they fly north, driven by an incredible instinct. They remember every flower and feeder along their route. Astonishing, isn't it? But why do they migrate? It's for survival. They are in constant search of nectar-rich flowers, which are scarce in winter. Their journey is perilous, but they're built for endurance. Their tiny hearts beat 1,200 times per minute. They are nature's mighty marathoners. Witness this wonder of nature. The resilient, remarkable hummingbird migration. A testament to life's enduring spirit.